Today I work in my garden. Let's learn 30 easy sentences together.
I go to the garden. I put on my gloves. I take my watering can. I fill it with water. I water the flowers. I water the tree. I pull out a weed. I take my small shovel. I dig a small hole. I plant a seed. I cover it with soil. I plant a small flower. I cut a branch. I pick a flower. I smell the flower. I put the flowers in a basket. I pick a red tomato. I rake the leaves. I sweep the path. I feed the birds.
I take off my gloves. I drink my tea.